Salt Lake City foundation crack getting wider? Date and measure it before patching. Utah's expansive and collapsible soils can move differently when moisture changes. Photograph the full wall and a close view with a ruler, then mark the date beside the crack with removable tape. Record sticking doors, sloping floors, separated trim, water entry, and whether several cracks changed together. From outside, document downspout discharge, ponding, irrigation near the foundation, and gaps between soil and concrete. Do not excavate beside the footing or force a sticking structural opening. The Utah Geological Survey explains that expansive soil swells when wet and shrinks when dry, while collapsible soil can settle after wetting. Ask the evaluator which mechanism fits the site evidence instead of accepting a soil label without testing. Salt Lake City also identifies properties in or near surface fault rupture study areas and recommends professional soil engineering or engineering geology reports before construction. Check the parcel's mapped hazards when a repair changes foundations or excavation. Ask for crack measurements, floor level data, drainage findings, soil or geotechnical evidence, and a repair scope tied to the diagnosed cause. Compare monitoring, drainage correction, stabilization, and structural repair separately rather than buying a one-size proposal. To locate a foundation service provider, call 877-320-4994. Again, that is 877-320-4994. This service connects callers with independent local providers. Availability varies by location.